Right. Good morning to all of you. Class 4 Mathematics. So we are in chapter 5. So we have completed in our previous session, we have completed the page number 43. Some two problems I have done it, estimated problems, and even I have shown you the keywords of addition and subtraction, how to differentiate the word problems. Okay, what is estimation, and those all I've been taught to you. Okay, children, so let me just go on giving you some problems. Let us do some problems related to addition and subtraction, and let us identify the keywords and then solve the problem. Okay, children. So let me give my first problem. Rajesh has, make a note, children, these problems are not there in your textbook. So anyhow, this PDF file I'll give you as previously the way which I'm giving you. Okay, children. And related to your practice worksheets also I will give you, children. As I told you, please maintain a separate book for worksheets, because more and more worksheets are given. It will be, your classwork will be finished if you just start writing there. Okay. Now let me continue the question. Rajesh has 235 toys. Mahesh has 26 toys. 26 toys more than Rajesh. More than Rajesh. How many toys do Mahesh have? How many toys do Mahesh have? So this is our question. So firstly, children, let us understand the question. Okay, and identify the keywords. Rajesh has 235 toys, 235 toys. And Mahesh is having 26 toys more than Rajesh. Okay, he's having more than Rajesh. So how many toys of Mahesh you have to find out? So Mahesh is more than 26 toys more than Rajesh. So whenever this more than comes over, what you will do? Subtraction. So whenever this more than comes over, what you are doing? Subtraction. Okay, children? Yes? Sorry, children. More than keyword is addition. So now, let us solve the problem. Okay. So firstly, how many toys Rajesh is having? The number of toys. These are the simple statements you have to make it, children, in a simple language. So number of toys is equal to 235. Who is having? Rajesh is having. Then, number of toys Mahesh has. So number of toys Mahesh is equal to how much? He is, how many ever Rajesh is having? More than that. More means what? Addition. More than 26 toys more than, as you can see here, 26 toys more than Rajesh. Yes? So, more than means what? Here the keyword is more than. More than means what you will do? You will do addition. Okay? So now, let us do the addition part. Let me write the number 235 plus 26. So you can see that 1, 10, 100, one below the other I have written. And 26 is a 2-digit number. So 2 is in 10th place and 6 is in 1st place. Okay, children? So now, 5 plus 6. How much? 11. 1 will be here, 1st place, and 1 will be on the 10th place, carry over. So 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Then here, only 2 is there. So 2. So how many toys Mahesh is having? 261. So Mahesh have toys is equal to 261. What the answer, children? Understood? Okay. So let me do the next one. So the next question, second one. Roja spent rupees 5 each day. How much money, how much money, how much money does she spend, does she spend in a week? In a week. So firstly, let me make you understand the problem. Okay. The solution. Roja spent 5 rupees she is spending every day. Yes. 5 rupees every day. And how much money does she spend in a week? So in a week means how many days are there in a week? Number of days in a week is equal to 7. 7 days. So what is this one? One day, how much money she is spending? One day money spent is equal to 5 rupees. Yes. So now 7 days means how much? So how much? How much keyword means what we will do here? Addition. Yes. So now 5 rupees 1 day, 5 rupees 2 days, 5 rupees 3 days, 5 rupees 4, 5 rupees 5, 5 rupees 6th day, 5 rupees 7th day. Yes, you see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. Yes, so 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 5 25, 25 plus 5 30, 30 plus 5 35. So how much she is spending in a week? 35 rupees. Understood, children? So like this, you can even do 7 into 5. 7 5 is 35. Because addition is the another form of, repeated addition is the another form of multiplication. Yes, repeated addition is another form of multiplication. So what we have done here, 7 times we are writing 5. So 7 into 1, 5. 7 times 5. Yes or no? Okay, children? So anyhow, you should get the answer. So now the third one. So the third question, Ravi bought 50 rupees and gave 25 rupees to Kiran. How much money did Ravi have now? Ravi has now. Yes? So let us first understand the question, children. solution. So firstly, from whom Ravi bought how much money? Ravi bought money is equal to 50 rupees. Yes, see here. Now how much money did he give? He gave money is equal to how much? 25 rupees. 25 rupees. Okay, children? He gave from 50 rupees, he gave 25 rupees to his friend. Now, how much money did Ravi have now? Now means what you will do here? Subtraction. Now means subtraction. Now is the keyword where you have to do subtraction. So, from 50 rupees, if you subtract 25 rupees, at present how much money is left out, you will get to know. So, let us do the subtraction part. 50 minus 25. So, 1 and 10, 2-digit number. 0 will not go in 5, 0 becomes 10. So, 5 minus 1 is 4. So, 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. So, how much money is Ravi left out with? 25 rupees. How much money, children? 25 rupees Ravi is having at present. Yes or no? Okay, children. So, I'll give you some more questions as a homework, children. Then, those questions, you can do the practice those problems, answers you can write down. And only worksheet should be written in the separate book, children, not these homework questions, okay? Try to solve by yourself. Anyhow, I'll give you the PDF file with the answers. Check your answers, okay? So, next to fourth question. Mahesh earns 375 rupees. How much? 375 rupees daily. And he spends 200 rupees on each day. Okay? So how much money is he spending? 200 rupees he is spending on each day. How much money he saves in a day? Okay, children? So this is the question. So it is a 3-digit one. So first time you are doing 3 digits, so it will be difficult for you, na? So let me solve it for you. Okay, children? So 3-digit addition. So Mahesh earns. So let me first explain it. Mahesh earns 375 rupees daily. And how much money is he spending? He is spending 200 rupees on one day. And how much money he saves in a day? So save means this keyword save. Save means what he will do here? Subtraction part. Okay. So he is earning. Mahesh earns is equal to 375 rupees. Spends is equal to 200 rupees. Okay. So from save means you have to do the subtraction. So 375 minus 200. So 375. Make it differentiate with 1, 10, and 100. Write separately. Minus 0, 0, 2. Excellent. So it is a simple subtraction. 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 0 is 7. 3 minus 2 is 1. So how much money is he saving now? Saves is equal to rupees 150. 75. Understood the subtraction and understood how to do, children? Okay. So he's saving 175 rupees each day. So should I give you one more problem? The next one is Kirti travels 45 kilometers by car and 176 kilometers by bus. 176 kilometers by bus. What is the total distance? What is the total distance? Total distance traveled by Kirti. Okay, children. Firstly, let me explain you the question. Kirti travels 45 kilometers by car and 176 kilometers by bus. The keyword total means what? Addition. You follow? Total means addition. So these problems I am giving you, children, so that you will be thorough in addition and subtraction. Okay. So it is a practice type of problem. Instead of doing the normal problems, I am just giving you the word problems so that you can understand both word problems, how to do it, and normal problems addition also you can understand. So it is not necessary for me to give you separately addition problem, subtraction problems, 2-digit or 3-digit. Okay. So here itself I am giving you both word problems also you can understand and the method to do the addition and subtraction you can understand. Okay. So now distance traveled by car. Distance traveled by car. How much? 45 kilometers. Yes. Now distance traveled by bus. How much? 176 kilometers. So total means what you have to do here? Addition. So 176 plus 45. So now let me do in the rough side column. 176 plus 45. So firstly, children, remember, write in ones, tens and hundreds place. So here 45 is a 2-digit number, so I have written under tens place and ones place. So now start adding from the one side. So 6 plus 5, 11. Okay, follow. 6 plus 5 is 11. So 1 will come this side down in the one place and 1 is the carryover. Do it a little bit neatly. Okay. So 6 plus 5 is 11. So 11 is one side. So ones digit will come under the ones digit, 1. The tenth digit will go as a carryover. Okay, understood, children? So now 7 plus 4. 7 plus 1, 10 plus 4. How much? 14. So again, 4 will come here and 1 will be carry over to the 100 side. Yes. So 1 plus 1. How much? 1 plus 1, 2. So how much did you get it? What's the correction, children? 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Okay, So 2 will be here, 1 is carry over. So how much answer you are getting? 221 kilometers is the total distance. Yes. So one problem I'll give you for you to solve it. Okay, children? So 5 problems I did, 1 problem I'm giving you. It is only meant to understand both word problem as well as the normal addition and subtraction. Okay, so 6-1. Rahul got 68 marks in maths, 8 marks in mathematics. 84 marks in English and 72 marks in Hindi. So how many marks Rahul got in all? How many marks Rahul got in all? In all. So this is our question. Let me explain you, children, then you can do by yourself. So Rahul got 68 marks in maths, 84 in English, 72 in Hindi. Yes. Now, how many marks Rahul got in all? In all is the keyword for what binary operation? Plus. So what you have to do here? 68 plus 72 plus 80. So add and write the answer to this. Okay. So by this, we complete our today's class, children. So with this, we complete our today's session. Take care of yourself. And just a reminder, children, please pay your second term fees, and those who did not pay your first term fees also, please pay it as soon as possible, as early as possible. Either, children, fees. Okay, children? Pay the fees, children. It is mandatory. Okay, children. Take care of yourself. Practice more and more addition and subtraction problems. Okay, thank you.